the 2019 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, a blind spot monitoring system, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated steering wheel, adjustable pedals, and remote keyless entry. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.